Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on multiplying algebraic fractions worksheet. So this video gives us a worksheet where we can practice multiplying algebraic fractions together. Now if you're not sure how to proceed, on the next slide there is a link provided. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson on this very topic, and it will explain how to do all of these examples. So, simplify each of the following. So we have an algebraic fraction here and an algebraic fraction there. Now the rules in the lesson are very basic. It says that the rules are very similar to the ones we used for simplifying the multiplication of ordinary fractions. That is, we multiply the numerators together, then we multiply the denominators together, and then we simplify where possible. So if it is possible to simplify the algebraic fractions, that is exactly what we do. Remembering, they are the numerators and they are the denominators. Example 2 is the same. The rules apply exactly the same. Multiply the two numerators, multiply the two denominators, and if it's possible to simplify, then do so. Over here, exactly the same. So look very carefully after you go through the process and have a look if there's any simplification that's possible. The same here, so I'll give you a little hint. So this one and the last four. The simplification is possible. So when you end up with the initial algebraic fraction, have a very, very close look at it and then go through the process of simplification. For number 6, it's exactly the same. Even though you have 3 terms, you still follow the same procedure with the numerators and the denominators, and then you simplify. So this video has given us a worksheet where we can practice multiplying algebraic fractions together, and I've given you the basic rules to follow, and don't forget the simplification at the end. And if you're not sure what to do, or you need a little bit of help or some hints, on the next slide click on the link. It will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do each of these examples.